guess this would be a fun business to do.
You know it. Hey, Epic 4x4 Adventure, we got something for you. Booyah!
So who's Epic 4x4 Adventure? They're the ones that buy all these things?
They're down in Moab.
And they buy from you?
They buy all their machines from us.
I see. I've been through Moab. That's a pretty cool place.
Yeah, adding a couple more to the fleet. Kawasaki for the win. If you haven't been to Epic 4x4 Adventure, we'll post up in the description below where you can access their website. Go out in one of their custom KRXs. If you want to get a hold of us, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.